What if I told you that the biggest financial collapse in modern history isn't coming? It's already unfolding right now. Because as of November 2025, something is happening that didn't even happen in 1929 or 2008. Bonds and real estate are crashing at the same time. And every major warning indicator, every single one, says the real damage hits between December 2025 and September 2026. Stay with me, because if you understand what's coming next, you'll understand history repeating in real time. And in 30 seconds, I'll show you the exact indicator that every recession in the last 50 years has followed like a script. If you care about history, economics, or your financial future, watch this video until the end. Here is the part no one wants to talk about. The yield curve uninverted in September 2024. And every recession since the 1970s has come 3 to 12 months later, which means we're in the window right now. November 2025, but that's just the first crack. What's coming next is something the Fed can't stop, even if they wanted to. Let us talk about the everything bubble, because 2025 is the first time in history we've had all three bubbles inflated at once. First, stocks. The S&P 500 is trading at a PE ratio over 28, a level we've only seen in 1929 and 2000 both, followed by massive crashes. Second, housing. US home prices are now 50% above their long-term trend, even higher than the peak in 2006 before the 2008 crash. And third, bonds. The US government owes $36 trillion, and the interest alone costs $1.2 trillion per year more than defense, Medicare, or Social Security. But here's the plot twist. In 1929, bonds were safe. In 2008, stocks recovered. In 2025, nothing is safe. In 1929, only stocks crashed. In 2008, only housing crashed. But in 2025, we have the worst-case scenario. Everything is overvalued at the same time. And here's the terrifying part. Back then, the Federal Reserve had tools. In 2025, they're out of ammo. Rates are already high. Key already caused inflation. The government can't borrow more without breaking the bond market. But if you think that's bad, wait until you hear what's happening inside America's banks right now. Commercial real estate is the fuse. Banks are the dynamite. Over $2 trillion in commercial mortgages are refinancing at triple their old interest rates in 2025 and 2026. That is why we already saw Silicon Valley Bank, Signature, First Republic, and New York Community Bank all collapse or be rescued. And the real wave hasn't even hit yet. The next part is the one economists fear the most, what millions of Americans are about to lose at the same time. In 1929, only 10% of Americans owned stocks. Today, 58%, mostly in 401 kiloseconds. And guess who's retiring in record numbers? 70 million baby boomers, every single one of them selling, not buying. This means the market isn't just crashing, it's running out of buyers. But there is one more indicator, one that has never been wrong, and it is flashing red right now. The SAM rule says a recession starts when unemployment rises 0.5% from its recent low. And guess what? It triggered in mid-2025. Once this triggers, every recession in the dataset has already begun. We aren't waiting for a crash, we're already in it. Now let's walk through the timeline so you know exactly what happens next. Based on historical patterns, the yield curve, uninversion timing, and debt rollover schedules, the most likely crash window is from December 2025 to September 2026. The peak destruction will likely happen between the last quarter of 2025 and the second quarter of 2026. We're talking commercial real estate defaults, bank failures, stock market deleveraging, bond sell-offs, and a housing price correction, all hitting at once. So what does this collapse actually look like? Let's break it down asset by asset. Stocks could fall by 65 to 80%. Bonds could lose 35 to 50%. Housing prices? A drop of 40 to 60% is possible. And unemployment? We could see it rise to 15 or even 20%, which is worse than 2008. But here's the factor that makes 2025 to 2026 truly historic, the one no one is prepared for. The US crash won't stay in America. This is a global shockwave. China's massive property sector is already collapsing. Europe is over-leveraged and facing an energy crisis. Emerging markets depend on the US dollar to survive. So when the US breaks, the world breaks with it. So why is this unavoidable? Why can't anyone stop it? In past crashes, the government always had options. They could cut interest rates, print trillions in stimulus, bail out banks, or stimulate the economy with spending. But in 2025, every solution makes the crisis worse. Cutting rates will fuel more inflation. Printing money will destroy the dollar's value. Borrowing more will explode interest costs and crash the bond market. And more QE is politically toxic. There are no good choices left. And now, the part everyone wants to know. What happens after the crash? Every major debt cycle in history ends the same way: a reset. A restructuring, a massive transfer of wealth. Just like what happened after the 1930s Great Depression, the stagflation of the 1970s, and the aftermath of the 2008 financial crisis. The next 10 to 20 years will completely reshape the global financial system. We'll see new currencies, new banking rules, and a new monetary order emerge from the chaos. And those who understand history are the ones who survive it. If you found this breakdown helpful, there's an entire series on my channel that dives deeper into history's biggest collapses and what they teach us right now. Because history doesn't repeat, but in 2025 it's rhyming louder than ever. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights. So here's the truth. Every major warning sign is already flashing. Every historical pattern is already repeating. And every indicator says the same thing. The 2025-2026 collapse isn't a prediction anymore. It's already underway. But the people who understand why collapses happen are the ones who make it through them. If you want to see how past empires survived financial chaos, and how this crisis could reshape the world for decades, watch the full video linked in the description and the pinned comment. Stay curious, stay prepared, and as always, this is HistoroMystic signing off. New episodes on HistoroMystic every week.